Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have another junk journal supply haul. Every time I go visit my daughter in Ohio, they have a really nice Goodwill outlet as well as other thrift stores that I always like to go to, and I found a ton of stuff for my journal kits and junk journals that I make. And so I wanted to show you what I found. This is like half of it. This is all the small stuff, and then I have some books and larger items over there. So I'll go ahead and start on this side. And most of this was from the bins. There was a couple of things of cards that I found at at one of the thrift stores. But most of these were in the bins themselves. So I found this stack of Christmas envelopes that are really cool. They're all the same. So that'll be nice to put in my journals. I found this quilted, or it's like embroidered, I guess. It says it's from 1974, and it says it's from the Avon products. And I don't know if Avon sold the picture and then whoever made this, used the picture and embroidered it. But I thought this would be really cool to do like a 70s retro themed junk journal and have this be on the cover. I don't know. What do you think about that? I just thought it was really cute. Okay, then I found two brand new vintage card packs, and they have really cute little children on them. And I was going to open one of them up because I'm not sure if they're all the same or they were taped together, but they've never been opened. So I wanted to see if each card was just the same, that one photo, or if they were different. So let's see here. Oh yeah, they're all the same. So that's really cute. Okay, so I have those two, the little girl and the boy. Stick that back in there so they don't. And then I found this set of cats and owls. These are really, oh, these are brand new too. Wow, they haven't even been opened in the plastic. And then I found, not as old obviously, but perfect for my strawberry shortcake journals. And this looks like just a set from like Dollar Tree or something. I don't know if they ever sold. No, it says American Greetings. So it's just a really cute set of flashcards with strawberry shortcake on them. And on the theme of strawberry shortcake, I found a memory game. So it has all these little strawberry, it's like this on the back, and then all the different pictures. So just like a simple memory. And these are the newer strawberry shortcake, I think. The same as this style, and this says 2014. So yeah, these are the 2000s version. This is 2009. So I don't know if they have an even newer one, but yeah. This was not the one. My daughter grew up with the version before this one, I believe. Okay, and then I found this set of cards. It says it's hearts, and it's a really cool set of Christmas themed, but I can also use the gingerbread man and the gingerbread house in my Candyland journal cards. So there's several of the gingerbread man, and then looks like there's only one of this one, unfortunately, a Joker. It's the Joker card. Or Jinx, it says. Whatever that is. But still pretty cool. And then I found, I don't know if this is the whole set, but these were in the bins loose, but they're Florida cards. So I could add these to my travel journals, or I don't have any travel journals made right now, but ephemera packs when I do them. And then also I found this New Orleans set of cards. So I think they're all that one picture. All right, so that's the small stuff. And then let's put these over here. And I'll show you the books that I found and some other things here. So 2 of these books I found at the bins, and the Senior Girl Scouting and the Girl Scout Handbook. And then this brownie one I found at a thrift store. But oh, I forgot about this. I found an old Care Bears VHS, just the cover of a VHS tape, but I'm planning on doing a Care Bears journal, so I've picked that up to use in that journal. So these books are, I love them. They have such cute illustrations. I was looking to see what year. Oh, 1945 and 1952. So this is from 1952, and this one's probably around that same age. They were owned by the same person. 1951. So yeah, really cool. I think I have some Girl Scout scrapbook stuff from when I did a lot of scrapbooking. So I thought maybe I would do a Girl Scouts or whatever journal. I don't know what the market for that would be, but these are just some awesome books. So this one from 1951. So I just thought that was funny that I found these like in the same trip. So yeah, and then I found some little books. This one is a God's Plan for Growing Things. These were all from the bins. It's kind of like a, let's see, it's Randy McNally. It's about the size of the little golden book, small. I can't remember what they're called, but it's very cute. Very cute illustrations. Super adorable. And then I found this old cash book. So this will be great to use as pages in my journals. And then I found this We Like Kindergarten book, little golden book. And this one is from 1965. Really cute book for back to school journal. I didn't get to do back to school journals this year, but for next year. And then I found this Walt Disney World of Nature book. And originally I had picked it up for my daughter, but I actually gave her I had this set as a kid. It comes like, I think it has 4 books with it in a little sleeve. And I ended up taking that from my house, from my parents' house, and I gave her that set. And so she already had this book, and I forgot that I had given her these. So, very awesome book of animals and things. And these were from, let's see, 1965. Yeah, 1965. And then I found this really cute book, Petunia. I thought this was really adorable. It's got a lot of writing in it. Scribble scratching on the first few pages, but as you get into the book, it's not so bad. It's really cute. Gonna look and see when this was 1950. That was a really cute book. Oh, and then I found this one, and I'm giving this to a family friend. Actually, my daughter's flower girl, she likes to draw, so I thought this would be fun for her. And then I found this one, Chipmunk at Hollow Tree Lane, and this will be perfect for fall journals. And I've actually have this book, but I've used a lot of it in my fall journals already, so I was excited to find it again. Yeah, that's really cute. And then the last two items are not books, obviously. I found this paper pack that has strawberries and plaid and cherries and polka dots, and I just thought that would be perfect to use in my strawberry shortcake journals. Kind of incorporate a different colorway. So yeah, it's a paper pack from 1998. I think I actually had some of this back in the day when I first started scrapbooking when my daughter was born. And then I found a few of these packs. They are vintage 1995. And I just thought they're treat holders. I haven't taken them out of I don't know how they hold a treat. Maybe, oh, I think maybe, I don't know if there's a hole in them that you put a sucker or something. Oh yeah, it says it has a pre-cut slot. But I thought this was perfect ephemera for Halloween journals. So yeah, really cool. Just love the illustrations on those. Alrighty, so that is it, guys, on this junk journal haul. Love all the things that I found, and I'm looking forward to incorporating them in my journals. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.